Oh, here we are. Good morning, everybody. This is David Pryor, broadcasting you from the top of Tumwater, Washington Hill. And as you can see, we're experiencing a slight snowstorm here, 8 o'clock in the morning, January 18th, 2012. There's my car right there, buried under snow. We got about 13 inches last night. Everything's closed down. Real nice and white here. Going around. No school today. Haha. Coming back. Let me get a close-up of the snow. Whoa. Okay. Here we come to Elvira's car. Look at it, all nice and dry under the carport. Lucky her, my poor little car has to sit in the snow. Going back. It's not really that bad out here, but it's kind of scary if you're driving because you're in Washington State where people can't drive in the snow. Look at that.